Hey guys, it's Melanie. Happy Monday and welcome back. I hope your week is off to a great start. We have had a good start to the week here and I am looking forward to just another productive week of getting some things done. Coming into spring here and I'm trying to embrace the sunshine and start the week off in a great mood. So hopefully if you are starting the week off in a rough mood, maybe some positive energy will rub off on you. I always feel like when other people are in a good mood, it really does rub off on me. So if you're having a rough week, I'm really sorry. I hope that it's starting to look up. But anyway, I'm so excited to bring you guys today's video. It is another Mask Monday. Originally, at the start of this year, I had mentioned that I wasn't going to be doing a ton of Mask Monday videos anymore, especially for facial masks, only because I have so many of them that I am trying to get through in my backup stash. But the one type of mask that I always go through very quickly actually are hair masks. And when Sol de Janeiro reached out and asked if I was interested in receiving PR from them, I thought, oh my gosh, are you really asking me that? I have loved the Sol de Janeiro products for a number of years. That is their body cream, the Boom Boom body cream, has been something that I have repurchased multiple times. I recently fell in love with their newest body cream that, now of course I can't remember the name of it, but it's the one that has the fruit acids in it. I have been loving that on my legs, just a really great gentle exfoliant in that particular formula. Plus the scent is to die for. They did recently bring out a body spray in the, I think they're gonna call it their Cheirosa 40 scent. I think that's what it's gonna be called, or what it is called. So anyway, love that particular scent. If you are a huge fan of the Seven Virtues Vanilla Woods scent, the Cheirosa 40 scent is very, very similar to that. It's absolutely incredible. So anyway, moral of the story is I have loved Sol de Janeiro for a number of years. So when they reached out and asked if I was interested in some PR, I said yes, absolutely, love your products. So they sent out one of their newest products, which is actually from their hair care line. And I have to admit, when Sol de Janeiro originally released the shampoo, the conditioner, and then they came out with the hair mask, I was like, okay, so I love their body care products, but can a body care company that kind of starts out in like a particular realm transfer that into different beauty products? So in this example, products for the hair, and can those products really be any good, you know? So I have not tried their shampoo and conditioner. It is still on my list to pick up from Sephora, so I will be picking it up at some point this summer. But they did send out the hair mask for me to be able to try, and this is called their Sol de Janeiro Hair Repair Treatment. This is their Triple Brazilian Butter Hair Repair Treatment. So this has Brazilian Capuaçu, Muru and Tucuma butters. I have actually never heard of Tucuma. I hope I'm saying that correctly. You guys know me with my pronunciations, right? But I do know that I love that Capuaçu. I feel like that particular butter in the Sol de Janeiro body cream is just, it's so hydrating, just really fantastic. So I was curious to see how that would translate over to hair care. So I have been using this mask now for a couple of weeks. You can see here the dent that I have made within the mask. So here's the thing, you guys, I have almost been using this as like a daily conditioner for myself. I have been loving this mask so much that I'm literally using it like several days in a row. I don't need to, but one, it has the Sol de Janeiro scent that I just absolutely love. It's the same scent as the Boom Boom cream. It has that, it's like a pistachio, caramel, vanilla blend. It's just, it's a very beautiful gourmand scent, but it's also just a great everyday conditioner for my hair. So I really do need to try their regular shampoo and conditioner, because if this works this well on my hair, then I imagine that the shampoo and conditioner will be fantastic as well. So anyway, let's get into the claims of this. I'm gonna tell you guys exactly how it works on my hair, and I'm gonna tell you whether it's worth spending 38 bucks on this particular mask, because That's the price point. By the way, this is an 8-ounce container. It's basically the same size as their original Boom Boom Cream, so keep that in mind. So I'm gonna read you guys their blurb, who this particular mask is supposed to be geared towards, because it's actually not my hair. It's not geared towards my hair. So they say a deep moisture and repair mask in the iconic Boom Boom Cream fragrance that is shown to mend up to 96% of split ends in as little as 1 use. Now, I do have to say that my particular hair is the healthiest that it's probably been in at any other point in my life. I don't really deal with a lot of split ends right now. My hair is naturally gray if you are new to my channel. So I don't color it this way. This just is what it is. There is still some of my original like dishwater blonde mixed in here, which is where I get that dimension, I guess, to my hair from. But I don't have a lot of split ends. I use really hydrating products on my hair for one. I'm very gentle with my hair when it comes to blow drying it. I don't use a lot of styling tools in my hair. I limit that, and I'm just very gentle and careful with my hair at this point because it is finely natural. I'm just taking very good care of it. So split ends, not really my concern, but hydration, I am always looking for a shot of hydration, and this gives it to me. So they say that this is for hair texture that is either medium or thick. I have fine, thin, straight. I don't even straighten this. This just is what it is. It is straight. I have fine, thin, straight hair. So obviously this was not necessarily designed for my hair type. And at first I was a little bit afraid that it would weigh my hair down. It doesn't. If you have that fear, don't have that fear. But you do have to make sure that you obviously rinse it properly from your hair. Like if you're someone who rinses your hair for like 2 seconds after putting in a mask or a leave-in conditioner, not leave-in conditioner, but just a regular conditioner, you gotta rinse a little bit more, but it does rinse out of the hair very well, and it does not weigh my hair down. So this is supposed to correct dryness, frizz, damage, split ends, and breakage. It is supposed to repair and prevent damage. It provides intense hydration, and it mends split ends. So again, the highlighted ingredients in here are the kapuasu butter, which deeply moisturizes with a blend of essential fatty acids without unwanted heaviness. The murumuru butter, which is rich in omega fatty acids for frizz control and to boost the softness and shine of hair. And then the Takuma butter, I know, I'm probably butchering that, I'm sorry. Locks in moisture, eases detangling, and protects against breakage. And then they also have the SOL Seal technology, which is their Sol de Janeiro Seal technology, a plant-based keratin that targets hair damage and fuses together split ends. Also, this particular formula, they don't have any formaldehydes, parabens, formaldehyde releasing agents. There's no mineral oil, there is no hydroquinone, there's no triclosan, all of that kind of stuff. And obviously Sol de Janeiro is cruelty free, which is important to me. So yeah, you guys, okay, so here's the thing. And the name of the scent, by the way, it's the Chirosa 62. That's the name of the Boom Boom Cream scent. And there's one of my hairs right there. Anyway, okay, so let's talk about this. I have used this with a multitude of shampoos in the shower. My Flow hydrating shampoo, my Alterna Caviar hydrating shampoo. I have used it with some of my purple shampoos, Pureology, Sashawan, and I've just used this as the conditioner with all of those. It has paired well with all of my shampoos, so I don't think you necessarily need to pair it with the Sol de Janeiro shampoo. I think whatever you use is going to be just fine, but this as the finishing step, as like my conditioner or my like leave-in mask, has been fantastic, you guys. I will shampoo my hair after first getting in the shower, rinse it out, squeeze out the excess water, use about, I don't know, like 2/4 size worth dollops. It's kind of hard to explain with a mask. Basically, I just take like a scoop out, not a ton, a little bit goes a long way. I don't feel like I need to like saturate my hair with this. It spreads pretty evenly. I leave it in for about 10-15 minutes, I'll shave my legs, do all of the other stuff in the shower, and then right before getting out, I rinse it out. So I take a wide tooth comb, I comb it through my hair. It does detangle my hair beautifully in the shower. I'm an in-shower detangler. It just works better for me with my fine, thin hair. It rinses clean. It smells like $1,000,000. When I'm done, it doesn't weigh my hair down. My hair doesn't feel slimy or gross. It still allows me to get big hair when I want it. So for example, yesterday on Instagram, I posted a picture of myself with some waves in my hair. I had used this, and despite using this, it didn't weigh my hair down. A lot of times with heavier masks or conditioners, my hair will not hold a wave or a curl when I go to do anything to my hair after using a mask like this. I was able to get my hair to look wavy perfectly. It stayed all day long. Again, my hair wasn't heavy or weighed down. Plus, I used it again this morning, by the way. It just smells amazing, you guys. The scent, I know. It's not all about the scent, it's about the performance of the mask, and this particular mask just does it for me, you guys. I'll be repurchasing this for sure. 1, I love the scent. 2, the formula works for my hair. 3, I can use this on almost a daily basis. I know that I'm getting the hydration that I want and need for my hair, and it's not building up on my hair either. Like, I don't feel like my hair is, you know how sometimes when you use like the less expensive drugstore masks, like it just feels like they build up on your hair, like there's just this silicone coating to your hair, and it might look shiny and it might look smooth, but it just kind of feels gross. You're not gonna get that with this. It rinses clean out of the hair. I freaking love it. I'm excited that I finally tried it, and I'll be repurchasing it going forward. It's amazing. I cannot wait to try the shampoo and conditioner. As soon as I snag that, I will report back to you guys and let you know my thoughts. I'll let you know how it pairs with the mask, but I mean, I don't think there's anything wrong with this. And the reviews for it are really good too. So I will link this down below. Go read up other people's reviews. It's a great hair mask. I've had fantastic luck with it. Even if you do have the fine, thin hair, if your hair is naturally gray and you need a good shot of moisture, if your hair is color treated, I'm going to assume that this is also a good shot of moisture for color treated hair. Mine is no longer that, but I can tell you if it works on my gray hair, I feel like it would have worked on my bleach blonde hair back in the day. So good stuff. I'm a huge fan, and a big thanks to Sol de Janeiro for sending this out. I'm impressed, and I can't wait to continue to use it long term. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. Leave me any questions down below in the comment section. I will put links for the product so that you can go read up other people's reviews in the description box down below. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Toodaloo.